Hey guys, it's Whitney. So I created this super easy, super wearable look. I do think something's missing though, so I'm going to use eye illuminator as a highlight, and that will give me that little bit of something that I'm missing out on. Eye illuminator is a mixture of eye cream and a reflective pigment called pearlizer, and it just gives me that all over glow I want. But if you want to see how I created this look, it's super easy. Anyone can do it. Just keep watching. I start with anti-wrinkle treatment every day. This relaxes my fine lines and wrinkles and makes a huge difference for me. Then I do hydrating mist all over to give me kind of a refreshed face and a little moisture. So this stuff here that I'm putting everywhere is Shadow Sense, and it's a cream to powder long wearing formula. It's meant to be an eyeshadow, but you can see that I multitask with it. And this is a brightening peachy color called Candlelight, and I love it because you can see just like my blemishes disappearing, my dark circles disappearing, and then also the discoloration on my eyelids disappearing. So I multitask with this and it lasts all day long. So I love it. Then I use light color correcting tint and moisturizer. This counteracts my redness, acts as a moisturizer, and gives me sun protection all in one. And then I'm going to use limited edition Americano Shadow Sense in my crease. I like to blend these out with a fluffy brush. I really hope I still have this in stock when you're watching the video. Just message me to find out for sure. But it's a limited edition. These can go pretty fast, but I love this color for fall. So then I just pinch my brush and smudge it along my lower lash line, and that's it. On my inner corners, I like to use Sandstone Pearl Shimmer just to brighten them and give them a little bit of shimmer and maybe make me look like I got a little more sleep than I actually did. And then I'm going to use natural translucent powder and just set all of that. Not that it needs set, but it's been hotter than Hades here, and I just get longer wear when I do a little bit of powder to set on top on really, really hot days. I don't do it all days. This is Undersense, and this is a primer for your lashes. It's like styling product for my lashes. And then I'm using Mocha Java Shadow Sense on my brows. Again, this is an eyeshadow. I'm filling in my brows with it. You'll see me do other stuff with it. I love Shadow Sense because you can do all the things like blush. I'm using that Americano I used on my eyes as a blush too. This is a Real Techniques brush that I'm blending it out with, and it makes a really pretty peachy color as a blush. Then I'm contouring with Mocha Java Shadow Sense, and to blend this out, I just use like a bigger kind of pointed brush. I like using dense, fluffy brushes to blend these out. Sorry, I can't talk very good. Okay, so see the difference there? That's due to one coat of non-waterproof mascara. The wand is a little bit smaller on the non-waterproof than on the waterproof, so I prefer it. But this mascara is amazing, and it actually has an ingredient that grows your lashes and can make them a little bit thicker. So, multitasking. I clean my lips off, and we're going to use these two color lip scents. The first is Sweetheart Pink. This is a beautiful color. A lot of people are afraid of it because it's so bright and intense, but I just love the tonality of it, and it's just so pretty. So I wanted to use it with our brand new limited edition creamer lip scents, because creamer is truly a neutral, and I knew that I would love the attributes of Sweetheart Pink layered with it. Layering lip scents is amazing because it allows you the opportunity to have your own custom lip color that's budge proof on a daily basis. And I mean, what girl doesn't like to have options? So with 2 layers of creamer over top of the Sweetheart Pink lip scents, I get this absolutely gorgeous kind of pinky nude color, and I actually want it to be a little more brown, so I'm going to use Java Gloss, which is a gorgeous brown gloss with a glitter. Again, limited edition. I'm sorry. Like, just message me and I'll let you know if I still have it in stock or not. I hope you don't miss out on these because they're really good. I finished with a coat of waterproof mascara, although I've replaced the one in this with a non-waterproof one because I like the smaller one better. And this just gives me really all-day wear on my mascara, but it's easy to remove. And that's it, y'all.